Thank you.
Welcome back. We've got Jasmine Kyle from the SCK Humane Society in studio this morning, here with Sugar Mama.
Yeah.
Wonderful dog.
Good morning. So yeah, this is Sugar Mama. As you can see, she is a German Shepherd. We don't get a whole lot of German Shepherds at our facility. She came to us, so she was abandoned near a complex and she was in really bad condition, unfortunately. So she went through 4 to 6 weeks of medication and physical therapy, and as you can see, she is truly blossomed. But as how she got her name, she is an incredibly sweet, sweet, sweet dog. That's one of the things that we first realized with her is when we were taking her to the vet, when we opened up the van door, she immediately jumped into a kennel and sat down and was like, okay, I'm ready to go. And we were like, oh my gosh, she is so sweet. So this is Sugar Mama. She does great with people, as you can see. She can sit and shake on command.
What's crazy is, like, until this segment started, she's been sitting here quietly and very patiently.
Yes.
And as soon as the camera started rolling,
They know. They absolutely know. They're just
Time
like
for
kids.
action.
That's why we call them kids out at our shelter.
Yeah.
But we are still, unfortunately, currently at full capacity. So if you are looking at this point in time in your life into adding a new family member, boy, it would help us out. Because when you adopt from a no-kill shelter, you're saving 2 lives. One for the animal that you rescued, and the other that we're able to fill that space with right now, with a family and a dog that needs to come in.
Yeah. All right, what are some of the other kind of dogs that you have at this shelter right now?
Yeah, so we have a few at our facility. Well, we have more than a few, but one of the dogs I love to talk about this morning is Pablo. He is an amazing, cute 11-year-old Red Heeler Terrier mix. Hi, she loves chairs. You can come up on the chair with me, that's fine. We fostered her last night and she is now thinking that she can get on the couch because we gave her some extra cuddle time and she deserves it. She's such a sweet, sweet dog, isn't she? But we have Pablo at our facility and he's a little guy. We call him a newborn deer. He has tons and tons of spots and he barely comes up above my kneecap. And he's great. He's a great dog. We've had him at 2 PetSense events, and he's so sweet, kind, and gentle. We also have our longest resident. His name is Jack. He is a lab boxer mix, and he's been at our facility for a few years, actually. He was originally found one of my first cruelty cases, actually, with the organization. He was found trapped in a restroom container in the wintertime. Wow. And he was skin and bones. We had to create a hammock and get him out of that location. It took almost 2 years of medical care and physical therapy and learning out that he had a grain allergy and blood work, but now he is amazing. We recently had Good Boy Professional Dog Training Amelia and Wade come out and work with him, and he's walking in heel. He's been doing much better with meeting other dogs. He is such a kind, gentle soul. So from smaller dogs, we have a lot of larger dogs on property, but if you're thinking of how you can help, adoption right now is a huge helping hand to animal shelters. Now, if you can't, that's absolutely fine. We, of course, don't want you to have to take a tough decision where it's not the responsible thing to do to add a new family member. So other ways that you can help right now is volunteering, or it's kitten and puppy season right now on top of everything. So especially wet dog food, wet cat pate food, that is a huge, huge, huge help right now.
As you can see, Sugar Mama is a very playful dog.
Yes.
And would do well with a family that has a lot of energy.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I know. You can come on up, honey.
Here, we got something for you. Found some toys.
Yeah, she's a very sweet dog, very sweet dog. And German Shepherds, we don't get them a whole lot, and that's what we have. Now, we're sad when people ask for breed specific, but if you've been looking for a German Shepherd who is mostly potty trained, who already knows command, she knows how to sit and shake on command, who's great with kids, who can do meet and greets with your dog, boy, we might have your perfect fit at our shelter.
Yeah. Give them a shot. Head
Yes.
out there and check them out.
And we do also offer foster to adopt in the state of Kansas per Kansas Department of Ag. So if you live within 30 miles of your shelter and be like, you know, I want to give Sugar Mama a chance, we can absolutely let you foster her for a little while. And if it works out, then you know what? She's made her home with you guys too.
Look at that face.
I
Look at
know,
that face
she's
right
such
there.
a good dog. She is
All
such
right.
a fantastic dog.
All right, Sugar Mama, I got a question for you. Do you think you can behave well enough to stick around for our next segment on Fox 14?
Yeah.
I think so. I think so. We'll shake on it. All right, we're going to go ahead and go to break and have you guys come back on our Fox show.
Sounds good.
We'll be right back.